Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Pond5 for licensed stock video, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Pond5 for licensed stock video, start by visiting the Pond5 website. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address and password in the designated fields. Click the login button to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on the Join Pond5 or Sign Up option on the login page. Fill in the required fields, including your email address, name, and password. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Select the Create Account button to set up your new account. Once authenticated, navigate to the Marketplace section to explore available stock videos. Use the search bar to find specific types of videos you need. You can filter results based on categories, duration, or resolution. Once you find a video that meets your needs, click on its thumbnail for more details. Check the licensing information to ensure it meets your project requirements. If satisfied, click the Add to Cart button. To proceed with purchasing, click on the shopping cart icon. Review your selected items and click the Checkout button. Enter your payment information and confirm your purchase. After the transaction is complete, you will receive a confirmation email. To download your licensed stock video, return to your account and navigate to the My Downloads section. Click on the downloaded file to start the download process. Ensure that your video files are stored securely for future use. You are now ready to use your licensed stock video from Pond5. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.